Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is QuoiaLen if you are new here, and if you're a returner, you know, welcome back. Like I said, so as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing this makeup look and demoing the BH Cosmetics Color Festival collection. So yeah, I've been slacking with my makeup. I've been doing other stuff, but you know, I'm trying to get some things up and running. But yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna try to start posting 2 to 3 times a week, but that's in between 2 jobs and about to start an internship. But you know, you girl's gonna make it happen for you guys. So if you want to see how I got this look and me demo some new brushes, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about the BH Cosmetic Color Festival collection. It comes with a 12-piece brush collection and a 20 color eyeshadow palette. I actually didn't buy this from BH Cosmetics. I actually bought it when I was at work at Ulta. If you guys didn't know, I do work at Ulta. And I didn't know that we were getting it because I was gonna buy it from the BH website, but I didn't feel like waiting, so I was just holding off on it. And then I saw that we got it at work, so I was like, let me go ahead and cop these. So I bought this like 2 days ago, I think. Yeah, 2 days ago. And I know this has been out for a minute already, but yeah. So I love this little brushes. I bought them strictly because they were neon. I did not need more brushes. I have like 3 canisters of brushes, but I bought them strictly because they were neon. And look, they match my nails. That was so not on purpose because I have my nails done for a while now. But yeah, so I'm gonna take the brushes out. So this is how they come when you get them. So I get the little canister or brush holder or whatever. It's really cute. It says BH and it's freaking neon. I just wanted them because they were neon. It's like, ooh, I gotta buy them. And then it comes with 12 brushes. So here are the brushes. The 2 larger base brushes come with brush guards, as you guys can see. I actually wish all of them came with brush guards because they're just so convenient. Like, that's the best way when you're washing your brushes to dry them in the brush guards. If you didn't know, but they're super cheap on Amazon, so it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, these are the brushes, like I said. And then this is how the palette comes. That's just the sleeve, and this is the actual palette. I have not touched this palette whatsoever. So this is how the palette looks. Oh, but yeah. And this palette comes with, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 14 shimmers and 6 mattes. So that's not bad at all. I really love this packaging so much. And look, it's a Ferris wheel right here, which is super cool. It's on theme with the whole festival thing, because when I think of festivals, I do think of like Ferris wheels and carnival rides and all this other stuff. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I just wanted to get on here and, you know, create a look for you guys because this palette is super cute. And I'm actually going to try to use all of these brushes instead of using my brushes, but we'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to take them out of the brush guards and the packaging. Okay, finally got all the brushes out. So this is them out of the packaging. The brushes are numbered 1 to 12, but once you throw the box away, if you decide to, it doesn't come with anything extra to tell you what they're for, but it is on the outside of the box. So yes. So number 1 is the large powder brush, and then number 2 is the round powder brush. Well, I need 2 powder brushes, so I won't be able to do foundation with any of this. Angled blush brush, and you know, so on and so forth. But you know, the names on the brushes, you never have to, you know, go with what they say they are for. My brows are already done and my eyelids are already primed, but I am getting some creasing, so I'm gonna use this number 5 brush and just get some of the creasing out. Okay, so I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and just put that over my lid. I'm gonna take this number 9 brush from the Color Festival collection, and first I'm going to go into Pop, and it's this lilac purpley pinkish color down here. Maybe if you guys can see this one right here. This is the densest brush, and I know it's a little big, but this is the densest brush that they have, so I might end up dipping into my the next color I'm gonna take is this one right here. It's called Sequins. And put that over top. Okay, this brush is like too soft, so I don't feel like I'm blending anything. So I'm about to go into my brushes. Yeah, this one's a little better. It's a little more dense. Yeah, that's better. And I just decided that I'm gonna make this a halo eye. I don't think I've done one of those on my channel. So I think the timing of now is perfect. Okay, so there's also not a brush in this collection that I can cut my crease with, so I'm gonna cut my crease with my own brush. And yeah, my halo is carved out, so now I'm just gonna take Groove, which is this one right here, and fill it in halfway. So I'll show you guys what I mean. Oh, this is really difficult with these brushes. Okay, dipping back into my brushes, even though I said I wasn't going to. Yeah, I'm gonna take Groove and put it on the outside parts, so where the pink is meeting each other. Okay, and for the center, like the little tiny space, I'm gonna take this color right here, and it's called Banger, and I'm just gonna take that on my finger. It's super soft.
Jeffrey Daniels, the cheat code.
Now I'm just gonna take my Maybelline Blackest Black Gel Eyeliner and give myself a wing, because my name is Quoia and I like wings. Okay. mascara and put glue on my falsies, and then I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then come back to my eyes in just a bit. Okay. So, going back to my palette, I'm going to take Sequins and dust that on my lower lash line. And now I'm just gonna apply my It Superhero Mascara. Taking another brush from my collection, I'm going to take, actually, you know what, never mind. They have one here. I'm going to take this kind of bullet brush, but not really. But I'm going to go into Banger and put that in my inner corner. And with this small little highlighter brush, I'm going to go into Banger again and apply that on my brow bone. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to take this MAC lipstick. It is called Men Love Mystery. I haven't used this in a very long time, but I'm feeling like the whole, not really monochromatic, but the matchy type thing, so yeah. Oh, and it's perfect too. So I'll just take the Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and this is in Bow and Arrow. I'm just gonna take a little bit in the center. So for my gloss, because I'm really feeling glossy lips these days, I'm going to take Fenty Glow and put that over top. And this is the completed look. Okay, so first off, y'all, I didn't think my eyes was gonna turn out really well because I didn't like how these blushes. I didn't like how the brushes were actually blending, only because they're so freaking soft. Like, these are the softest brushes ever, so I think it's gonna take me some time to get used to how soft they are, because I mean, Morphe brushes and my other brushes are soft, but they're not like this soft. Like, and there's sometimes, like, when I blend, I like denser brushes, not completely fluffy. Cause like, look, this brush right here that I was trying to use earlier, now this one actually did pretty well. Let's see one. This denser brush, I really didn't like it. I really didn't like it. I mean, it's okay, but whatever. Yeah, okay. So the brushes retail for $27, and that's including the little holder, and the palette is $20. I love this palette. I know I only use a few colors, but I mean, it's so on trend with what festival and springtime, so I can't wait to play with that one some more. And I mean, hello, they match my nails, and this is definitely a neon green. I know it looks neon yellow, and that's why it matches my nails so well, but this is definitely neon green. They both are. They look yellow, but they're definitely green. But yeah, I'm very happy with how this look came out, y'all. I don't know if y'all saw it on my face while I was doing this look, but I was just like, damn, this ain't gonna work. But I finessed it. That's how good the girl is. But yeah, I definitely want to use the palette some more just to see what other looks I can come up with. But I had fun making this look. Like, I love that it looks like cotton candy. That's not what I was going for, but it turned out that way and I love it. So yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed and you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it. That way you guys can be notified every single time that I make an upload. And if you're not already, please go follow me on the gram, because that's really where I am when I'm not on YouTube. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.